Ciao, dear Sicily lovers!
Oh, waiting. So, here we are again.
Happy to see you again!
we are alive,
Yes!
alive and kicking. After almost 1 month, we are broadcasting again. Let's switch again because this camera is not good.
And let's enjoy a beautiful landscape from this point, Gianca. A beautiful view.
Would you like to discover something unique with us? Something new? Because this is new for you. At least it's new for Rosella.
Yes, it's my first time here.
I've been here once in my life about 12 years ago. This is my second time. And so, would you like to introduce where we are?
We are in Malta.
Malta. Actually, we are in Medina, the ancient capital of this beautiful island named Malta. We are in the middle of the Mediterranean, just a few miles southern of Sicily. And it was our opportunity to plan a reward trip for a Bulgarian company. So, once again, this is not our reward trip.
No, this is not our vacation. We are working this time.
So just like the other time when we went to Naples, somebody said, "Oh, happy holidays, enjoy your vacation." No, it was not our vacation, and this is not our vacation in Malta. We are just enjoying a free day because tomorrow the Bulgarian group will arrive here in Malta, and we will spend with them a few days. We organized some
Team building activities.
team buildings, some walking tours in Valletta, and so now it's our opportunity to visit Medina, the ancient capital of Malta. Let's discover all together this beautiful medieval town.
And maybe next time you can combine with Sicily. We can ask us to plan a tour of Sicily and also Malta. And I love these yellow colors of the stones.
Does it remind you something
yes,
in
something
particular?
in Sicily. It's very similar to Ortigia, the historic center of Syracuse. Even if Ortigia is a little bit more bright, the color of the stones are more white, we can say. Here is more yellow, but also is full of narrow streets, like in Sicily and in particular in Ortigia. And there are also, we had the opportunity to test some traditional food, and also here in Malta, yummy, good food. So maybe you can combine Sicily and Malta. Oh, look at these corners, look over there.
I'm very sorry for my gimbal, for my stabilizer, because the line of the horizon is not correct.
We need to buy everything, Gianca, new.
So, once again, let's start from the beginning. We didn't disappear. Once we got back to Sicily after our trip to Florida,
Yeah.
we've been overwhelmed by the backlog work.
Yes, a
We
lot
had a
of
lot-
emails. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. All people around the world would like to visit Sicily next year and this year. And so we had to reply to so many emails. And Gianca and I were spending our time planning a lot of tour of Sicily. And before ending this live broadcast, we have a beautiful surprise for you. So stay tuned till the end. Look at the sky, it's so blue. It's a beautiful sunny day. Also here, maybe that way.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. And I can feel at home, no? I can feel the same Sicilian style, even if they are an English style.
Not only English.
No,
This
because
is a melting pot.
yes, maybe because of the Arab domination.
They have different styles, like Sicily. They had the Romans, they had the Arabs, they had the Phoenicians, they had the Aragonese, so the Spaniards. They had the French for a short time, and what else? And they have some Sicilian influence in their language, even if the most of the words are Arabs. So we have many things in common, and in particular the heritage till the 1500. Then the roads, how do you say, began different. But this is the square dedicated to St. Paul. Yeah. St. Paul was a martyr, as you know, who had a shipwreck during his navigation to Rome, and is now considered the most important saint in Malta. This is the church dedicated to St. Paul. As you can see, there are different influences. For example, this is an English style, and we have other beautiful palazzo with very nice balconies. We have the Arab Norman style over there. Look at the windows, the bifora, like in Palermo, the Norman style. And that is the church dedicated to myself. The church of the Virgin of the Carmel, like me. You know, my real name is Giancarmine, so Carmine stands for Carmel. It's a beautiful day. So, Rosella, would you like to say something?
So we are very excited because during this period we worked very hard also to release. We are ready, Gianca, no? To release.
Let me correct the horizon. Okay.
So we are very excited because we release officially the Sicily Lovers Tours editions in 2024. So you are ready to book your dream vacation to Sicily for next year. You have just to visit our website bestthingsToDoInSicily.com, and you will find the 3 editions. So you can choose the period that suits the best your needs. And Gianca, please come with me to explain how it works.
So actually, Rosella didn't make any mistake. We are not talking about the 2023. we are talking about next year.
Why, Gianca? Because
2024.
because the editions in 2023 are already sold out.
Everything is sold out. I'm sorry. So, for the luckiest guys who join us next June and next September, they already know that the tours are sold out, and the others, many people has in the previous months to join our tour, and so we made our best to book, to secure the best hotels for 2024.
Yeah.
This time it's impossible to to join any tour. We can only plan for you a private tour, but it's not easy because the best hotels, the best local guides are already
full book till the end of the year.
They are not available, yes.
Yeah.
And so we work very hard in advance, with many months in advance, to secure the best suppliers, in particular the best hotels. And there is a very special news for next year, because we are involving, I can say, the best hotel in Palermo. It was a very special hotel. It was closed because they restored the hotel. It's an historical palazzo from the 1800s. It's named Delle Palme, and it's a
best
five-star hotel in Palermo. Very ideally located in the heart of Palermo. And it will be the first home base of the tour. Yeah. So we will spend three nights in Palermo. Then, as always, we will visit Cefalù. We will stay 2 nights in Cefalù. Then we will go to Ragusa.
Yeah.
Then we will go to Ortigia, the beautiful historical center of Syracuse. And then, as always, we will end our tour in Taormina. That's the jewel of Sicily. So
it's the best way to enjoy Sicily. It's our ideal tour of Sicily to discover the biggest, the main highlights of the island in the most relaxing way. Yes. And Gianca and I will stay with you.
Let me say, yeah, this is so important. We will be with you, but let me say something really special. We made a little adjustment to the tour to give you the opportunity to have a leisure day, a half leisure day each 2 or 3 days. So it's the best combination about highlights, about the best activities, the best food that you can enjoy in Sicily, but also you have a half free day, a day at leisure just for you each 2 or 3 days. Every 2 or 3 days, a half day where you can enjoy yourself to the ultimate point. And it will be in Palermo, it will be in Cefalù, it will be in Ortigia, it will be in Taormina. In Taormina, 2 half days.
Yeah.
So
a lot of time leisure time.
Yes.
And as always, we reserve for you a special discount for the early booking. So visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and discover all the details of the 3 editions. There are buttons where you can download the PDF, and you have more than 35 pages to read.
You can study. You have many information to study. And I would like just to clarify, there are little differences between the 3 editions. Mm-hmm. We have 1 edition in May, 1 edition in June, and 1 in September. There are only a few differences. The first difference between May and June is that in May you will stay in the Hotel delle Palme, the luxury 5-star hotel I was mentioning before. In the June edition you will go in a 4-star hotel. It's always very ideally located, so nothing really changes. It's only the question of price, because the 5-star, of course, is a little bit more expensive. And in September, you will have again the 5-star hotel in Palermo and 1 day more in the overall time. So it's not 11 nights like the first 2 editions, but it's 12 nights. So 12 nights, 13 days. the first two editions will be 11 nights, 12 days. Is it
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. And don't
But the
forget,
itinerary, more or less, is
the same,
very,
more same.
very similar.
and don't forget that, as always, it's a small group tour. So it means that.
Say hello to Alisa Spatafora.
Ciao,
Hello,
Alisa, see you in May.
Good morning. Yes, see you in May.
Good question, Alisa. I'm just replying your question. How many spots on the tour? So it's reserved for no more than 20 Sicily lovers. So
yes. A small group.
So could be sold out very quickly, as the Sicily Lovers Tour in 2023.
Yes.
They are already sold out, so maybe we are going to be sold out also for the 2024 edition.
Let me say that this is our habit. As always, we don't want to manage big groups, because it could be easier, because we could earn a lot of money, but we don't want to do it. We want to manage small groups to take care of everyone, because this is the best. It's how do you say, like a family.
Yeah.
When you travel with 20 people, it's easier. You have a different relationship with everyone, and you can make everyone very, very happy. With big groups, everything changes. So we don't want to do it. We don't want to be like a mass travel company.
Yeah.
We want to do it better.
And above all, we want to preserve and to preserve our identity and the authenticity of Sicily.
Yes.
Is it a right word? More or less.
More or less. I don't know what she said, but she's talking.
Sicilianity, okay.
Yes, Sicilianity. This is a new word that Mr. Leonardo Sciascia, one of the most important Sicilian writers, said for the first time. Sicilianity is a new word. It means 1,000 things in the same time. It's very difficult to translate what Sicilianity means. Only Sicily lovers maybe understand what it means. So you will live, you will breathe we will experience Sicily with locals. So this is the most important thing. As always, we have selected the best authentic experiences with locals, such as the making of the sausage in Caccamo, the making of the chocolate in Modica, and we have at least 2 cooking shows, a cooking class. You will dance with folk musicians and singers in Caccamo as well. This is a very special night. And what else?
The special dinner at Palazzo Francavilla for our exclusive use.
The Duke of Francavilla is waiting for you to meet you in 2024. As always, he owns the Palazzo, but he is very glad to be with you during that day, during that night. So we have the Fiat 500, the vintage car ride in Modica. We have a lot of beautiful experiences. So I don't want to spoil anything. Go and visit our website right now, just to take a look. Yeah. I don't want you to book your tour now.
No, because you have time to take advantage of the early discount till 15th of June. But of course, I don't know.
You never know. But
if the tour will be sold out.
But this is not a promotional message. I don't want to sell the tour. I want to give my friends, my followers, our followers, to take the opportunity to study the itinerary. Maybe they don't want to visit Sicily with us.
Yeah.
So this is a sample, because some people are lazy, some people don't want to study. Okay, this is the ready work. If you see the itinerary, you can see the best of Sicily in 12 days. Yeah. So this is your opportunity to plan your own tour of Sicily. Of course, if you want to join us, we can't be happier, because you know how we love to spend time with Sicily lovers. So if you join us, we will be the happiest people in the world.
Can't wait to hug you. And Another important highlight of the tour is the food and wine. So a lot of food and wine experiences. So
But don't spoil it. Don't spoil it.
no. Now
If you see,
just visit the website.
if you download the PDF, that's important. No, I'm not saying just to take a look at the website, the page where you see the tour. No, download the PDF. It's at 35, I don't remember, 38.
39 more or less.
40 different pages with a lot of information, and it's your opportunity once again to have a sample of what you can do in Sicily in 12 days. So
Best things to do in Sicily.com and
say again.
best things to do in Sicily.com.
Brava Rosella.
Alla Vicciotti, come state? Scrivete nei commenti. Write in the comments about your life, what are you doing. And now maybe we have to go because our guide that we are enjoying.
We are enjoying a beautiful walking tour. Not only a walking tour, it's a guided tour of Medina, the medieval town where we are now. We've been to Dingley. That's a sort of beautiful cliff with a special view on the Mediterranean. We went.
We are going to visit Rabat.
Yeah, we are going to visit Rabat, another town, and so this is our special day with a very, very nice lady, our local guide here in Malta, and we've been promoting the combination between Sicily and Malta other times in the past, but it's our opportunity to study better this beautiful location, because as Rosella said, Malta could be combined with Sicily very, very easily. In particular, don't miss the opportunity to travel to Malta, because Malta is very, very well connected to the United States, to Australia. It's an important hub. You can, for example, fly to Malta, then take an airplane to Sicily. It's a very stupid flight. It's only 30 minutes to reach Sicily.
Yeah, and from Catania.
And then you can leave Sicily. So it's very, very easy. And tomorrow we will start our business trip with the Bulgarian group. So it's not our vacation. No. It's our vacation for today.
But as always, when we follow groups, it's also a good change for us.
Rosella went to Florida, but it's like she forgot everything.
to enjoy.
What about your English?
I don't know. I left in Florida.
She left English in Florida. Out of the joke, we love our work. This is not a work. When you do it with passion, when you love what you do, you are very lucky, and we are very lucky because we had the opportunity to combine the work with our special passion, and we can't ask anything better anymore. So.
And we attract only good people with positive vibes, and so we feel blessed to have this beautiful family of Sicily lovers. And maybe we can see in the next days. I'm going to upload some stories on Instagram and Facebook, and you can check and have an idea of what we are doing. But before leaving this live broadcast again, visit bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Navigator bar show you Sicily vacation packages, and there you will find the 3 editions of our Sicily Lovers Tour for next year, 2024, because this year they are already sold out. Guys, we love you.
And let me remind them once again, if you want to visit Sicily independently, so just a private tour, a custom tailored private tour for your family, for your small group of friends, you can contact us and we will be very glad to plan for you something really special. It's not easy, because I have to be honest, we received a lot of inquiries, and the most beautiful hotels and most brilliant local guides are already almost sold out. So I don't want to push you. This is not. I'm saying no to many people because, for example, May is already everything sold out. We have something in June, in July, September again is sold out. So there are only few possibilities. This is not good for you. It's very good for us, I know, because Sicily now is very popular. Rosella and I are watching the White Lotus second series because we had to understand, we have to realize the reason why all people talk about Sicily because of the White Lotus, and so we are
a great advertising for us.
Yes,
no doubt.
They made a great job. It's a free advertising.
Yeah,
we have to thank Mr. Bill Gates. You know, Mr. Bill Gates is the owner of the San Domenico Palace.
Yes,
the 5-star hotel in Taormina. That's the filming location, the main filming location of the White Lotus.
Yeah.
And so I'm pretty sure he put the money to to finance the production.
Yeah.
And so we have to thank Bill Gates, even if I don't like him personally. But thanks Bill for doing this, for promoting Sicily.
Yeah.
And
another beautiful location that is shown in the series is Cefalù.
Oh yes.
The beach is not in Taormina. The beach is Cefalù, and Cefalù is included in our tours always because it's a must-see location.
Yes.
Amonini, Ninna we have to go.
We have to go.
We love you guys. See you soon.
See you very soon. We will keep uploading some contents from Malta in the next days, just to give you an idea what Malta is. It's very, very nice. So see you very soon.
Love.
Hugs.
And kisses.
From Malta this time.
But also from Sicily. Why not?
Sicily in the heart.
Yes.
Ciao.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Ciao.